Bank is a financial institution who deals with money and credit as its regular source of businesses. It accepts deposit from the depositor, grant loan to the needy borrowers. Then the role of a bank in the economy of a country. The bank play an important role in the economy of a country. They keep the money of the people in the safe custody, otherwise people can become an easy prey of thieves or robbers. They give interest on the money deposited by the people, thus, they add to the income of the family. Many families survive on the bank's interest, thus, they add to the income of the family. Many families survive on the bank interest. Bank mediates between those who have surplus money and those who needs money. Bank provide cheap loans to a large number of people. Banks promote the agriculture by promoting loan to the farmers who can increase their production by bringing new farms, implements and make better arrangements for the irrigations of the fields without which they cannot survive. Bank boosts the country's industries also by providing cheap loan to the industrialist. The banks are the backbone of the country's trade also. Bank employ a large number of people and such they solve the employment problem also. Of bank. It accepts the deposits, grants the loan, providing safety to the values of the customers, transferring funds from one place to another for customer, accepting payment for customer, making payment on behalf of the customer, paying electricity bill, insurance premium, etc. Main functions of a bank. Bank is having the depositors and a borrower. Major types of deposit: demand deposit, withdrawal at any time on demand. It includes deposit in current account and saving account. Time or term deposits, withdrawal after a certain period of time. It includes the deposit in fixed deposit accounts and recurring deposits account. Four major types of the deposit accounts: current deposit account, no restriction in deposit, no restriction in withdrawal, no interest in paid by the bank on deposit. Main purpose of opening such account is to provide safety to customers' cash. Rich businessman and organization open such accounts. Now check. It is a written document with which a depositor orders his banker to pay a certain amount to himself or to the bearer or to a certain person. The checks or demand drafts have the essential features of a money. They make it possible to directly settle payment without the use of cash. Since check or demand drafts are widely accepted as a means of payment along with the currency, they also constitute money in the modern economy. While issuing a check, the lender has an account in the some bank. He fills the amounts as well as the name of the creditor in the check and then he signs. Then after verifying that account and signature of a customer, the concerned bank clear the check. In case of any draft, the concerned bank first of all takes the money from a creditor and then issue its own check in favor of a person who has to get the money. In both the way, the process of exchange of the money. In case of the currency notes, the transactions are made directly between the concerned parties. Modern form of money. Money is anything that has purchasing power. Demand deposit has purchasing power as it can be used to make payment or to purchase. Therefore, demand deposit is money. Money is equal to purchasing power or demand deposit is equals to purchasing power equals to money. Demand deposit is a modern form of money. Money in demand deposit can be withdrawn at any time through check, ATM, etc. It can be used to make payment or purchase at any time through the check, debit card, net banking. It has purchasing power. Anything having purchasing power is money. Therefore, demand deposit is money. Four major type of deposit accounts. Fixed deposit amounts. Fixed amount is deposited for a fixed period. Withdraw in only on maturity. Highest rate of interest. Main purpose of opening such accounts is to earn interest and save for certain future needs. People having no other investment option and with some certain future needs deposits here. Recurring deposit account. Fixed amount is deposited at a fixed interval for a fixed period. Withdrawal is only on maturity. Good rate of interest is paid by the bank on deposit. Main purpose of opening such account is capital formation and saving. People with a regular income usually open such account. Saving deposit accounts, no restriction in deposit. Withdrawal is possible at any time, subject to some restriction. Low rate of interest is paid by the bank on deposit. Main purpose of opening such account is saving and meeting uncertain emergencies. Small businessmen and people with a low or moderate income open such account. Features of check. Check is a written document prescribed for form provided by bank. It is written by a depositor to his banker. It carries an order to pay a certain sum of money from the deposit. It is a modern form of money as it can be used to make payment. Essential component of a check: signature of depositor, name of payee, amount must be specified and written in both words and numbers, date of drawing or making, account number of a depositor, different modern form of money, card money, that is plastic money, debit card, credit card, smart card, health card, etc., digital cash, net banking, mobile banking, bank money, check, demand draft, banker's check, etc., and credited. How do banks mediate between those who have surplus money and those who needs money? Usually, two types of the people go to the bank: one who has surplus money to deposit or the other who want loan. The bank mediate between these two types of the people. To the depositor, bank give them interest and from those persons who take loans, they charge a higher interest rate than what they offer to the depositor. Thus, the difference between what they charge from the borrowers and what they offer to the depositor is the main source of their income.